10 Social Media Management Tools to Manage Multiple Accounts. Social media management software helps you to manage multiple social media accounts in one place. There are multiple tools with various features and functionalities such as content creation, scheduling, and auto posting. Let's discuss some of the most popular social media management tools. 1. Later. Later, it first started as an Instagram management tool and has now extended to other platforms like Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, and more. It is still one of the most popular Instagram management tools. 2. Hootsuite. The platform allows you to monitor or manage over 30 social media networks from one place and bulk schedule your content in advance. It also offers customizable reports and team productivity reporting. 3. Sprout Social. Sprout Social supports all major social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. The platform helps businesses of all sizes with its usability, publishing features, and analytics tools. 4. Plann. Plann started as an Instagram management, scheduling, and analytics software and now supports Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok. It helps to schedule multiple posts in advance. It is ideal for Instagram influencers, bloggers, small business owners, and creatives. 5. Buffer. Buffer is among the best choices for small business owners and social media marketers. The platform supports Instagram Business, Facebook Group, Facebook Page, LinkedIn, Pinterest Business, and Twitter. It offers various tools for publishing, managing, monitoring, tracking, analytics, and team collaboration. 6. HopperHQ. HopperHQ helps your business to plan, schedule, and automate your posting on multiple social media networks. It is ideal for agencies, brands, freelancers, influencers, and content creators. Supported platforms by HopperHQ are LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. 7. Crowdfire. Crowdfire is a super smart social media management platform that will also help you drive traffic to the landing page or website. The platform allows you to connect to blogs, YouTube channels, and online shops and create posts on social media platforms for any updates on these sites. 8. Statusbrew. Statusbrew is a social media engagement and management tool designed to unify all social media profiles across various networks and effectively collaborate with teams. 9. Agorapulse. Agorapulse is an easy-to-use social media platform for scheduling, monitoring, and managing social media platforms. It supports Facebook Group, Facebook Page, Instagram Business, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. 10. Social Pilot. Social Pilot is a budget-friendly curating, scheduling, and reporting social media management tool. The platform is ideal for social media marketers who don't have much time to manage social media accounts. Conclusion. After finding the right social media management tool that aligns perfectly with your business goals, it's time to get your team on board. Plan out your social media strategy and how your team will use the tool effectively. These tools will help you save time and boost productivity and ROI. Thanks for watching.